Hey Diva, I thought it'd be super fun to give you guys a tour of our tour bus, so come along with me. So, if you're wondering where the queen sleeps, she sleeps right here. It's a little messy, but it's okay. And this is where I eat. And actually, Riley was eating before me, so she may have made it a little messy. Back here is actually my favorite room. This is our... Oh no. Oh no. Since I'm an allergy sufferer, spring cleaning really triggers my allergies. Good thing I'm partnering with Allegra. Allegra has 0% brain interference for fast, non-drowsy, 24-hour allergy relief, and I can still dance through all of this. Could you imagine if I did that without Allegra? Yikes. Now that's how you survive spring cleaning on tour.